Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the S&P500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the DowJones30 futures chart. But let's get started today with the S&P500 as always. Currently find ourselves trading significantly lower during today's trading session. We've fallen 1.1%, pairing all of yesterday's gains, and we now currently find ourselves trading at a new monthly low. A complete breakdown in price here for the S&P 500. But quite frankly, guys, I see this as a gift. I did say during yesterday's video that if we were lucky enough to get down to the 50-day EMA, this would be a very buyable area where I think you could really consider, loading up the boat here. I think that, this dip will be bought. Of course, we're just working ourselves through a seasonal week period. August to September is a very unfavorable time period for stocks. History will tell you that August doesn't have a very good track record at finishing the month in positive territory. But that being said, I just want to quickly draw your attention to some research that I shared to the group this morning. This in front of you is the average August pre-election performance since 1929. And what does typically occur here throughout the month of August is that you do tend to front load the month with some declines, and then as you hit the the 9th to the 10th of August, that's typically when you do tend to see a move back up towards positive territory. So if that was the case here for the S&P 500, if we were to go back into positive territory, that would represent a 3% rally in the coming weeks. Within the current, with the upcoming, days ahead. And of course, that makes a lot of sense because on Thursday we do have the CPI, on Friday with the PPI, and I am still anticipating a very good inflation number as we work our way through those, those data points. So I actually like the idea of buying the S&P 500 here. It looks to me that we could potentially even be trading within a slight ABC correction. Of course, yesterday could have been that B phase, and now we're working our way to try and form this C pattern, and then eventually we will be met with some more buying activity. So, I think the message I kind of want to broadcast to all my viewers today is that, the month of August, we do typically tend to see and start the month with some selling pressure, but ultimately, come the 10th of August, we do actually start to see a sharp rally towards the upside before breaking back down again. So, if that was to be the case here, I do believe that that offers some fantastic buying opportunities, as today is the 8th of August, of course. Moving over to the Nasdaq100, very similar to the S&P 500. It looks like we are likely to go and target the 50-day EMA. Nothing really technically has been broken here. I think that we're just in the process of forming another little slight bullish flag here, and ultimately we do break out higher to go and test previous all-time highs, which sit at around 16,750. This minor 4 to 5% correction that we've seen is just due to seasonal patterns, and it's the AI story hasn't changed at all in the in the past couple of days. So I see this as a buyable dip, similar to the DowJones30. Similar to the S&P 500 and Nasdaq100, here for the Dow Jones 30, I would be looking to buy any dip that does occur here. Be interesting to see whether we do get as low as the 50-day EMA. I don't think that we do, but if we do, fantastic. I think that all three of these markets offer fantastic buyable dips, and in my own humble opinion, I think that we're just in the process of forming these very minor-looking bull flags before we do continue our move up higher towards previous all-time highs. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video, but I just want to conclude by showing you this chart yet again. That the beginning of August we do tend to start on a very sour note before turning up higher back into positive territory, come the 15th of August. And of course on Thursday we do get the CPI followed by the PPI on Friday, and these are data points which I do believe, in my own humble opinion, can send the markets higher going into the end of this trading week. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. If anyone would like to join my free trading signal group where you can receive my trading signals as well as my daily market research that I posted, of course, this morning, that was what that chart I was just showing you about the the first couple of days in August being a very poor start to the month. If you'd like to receive research and signals just like that, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up. It takes 10 seconds and you get your first month for completely free of charge, and there's no catches. You can cancel at any time. Thank you.